Hello students, today I have selected this video for the students of class 10 and subject is mathematics, exercise is 3.6. Okay, so question number 6 is here. I have selected because it is something different type of questions. In previous video I have selected question number 1 and I had discussed. So on the basis of question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, on the basis of question first, your question second, third, fourth and fifth will be there in your exercise. But here, question 6 is something different. So see here, we study 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 9 upon xy. It is equation first. And here, 4 upon x plus 9 upon y is equal to 21 upon xy. It is equation second. And here the condition is given that x does not equal to 0 and y does not equal to 0. Okay, it means the value of x will not be 0 and the value of y will not be 0. It's right. So see here, in this type question, two variables are given, x and y here, x and y here. Only difference is that here in this part also x, y is given. Okay, so see here, it is 2 upon x, 3 upon y. So we can say here 2 upon x can be written in the form of this 1 upon x into 2. Okay, means we can write here the value of 1 upon x some other variable. Okay, same as here 3 upon y can be written in this way 3 into 1 upon y. You can 3 write here or here. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we write here 3 means another variable. Let 1 upon x is equal to b and 1 upon y is equal to q. So see here. Now from equation first, 2 upon x means 1 upon x is b. So here we write 2b plus here 1 upon y is q. So here 3q is equal to here 9 upon xy means 9 upon xy can be written in this way. 9 upon xy can be written in this way. 1 upon x into 1 upon y. So here b, here q means 9bq. 9bq. It's right. So in this way we make here this equation, that is equation third. Right. Now from equation second, see here this equation, it is 4 upon x means 4 into 1 upon x. We can write here 4 into 1 upon x and value of 1 upon x we get here what is p, means we can write here 4p and here plus 9 upon I means 9 into 1 upon I and the value of 1 upon I is here y is q. So here we write 9q. 9q is equal to again here 21 upon xy can be written in this way. I have told in this way. Okay, here is b, here is q. We let here na. Okay, 1 upon x is p and 1 upon y is q. So we write here 21 p into q. Okay, this one is equation 4. Now from equation third and fourth we solve here. We see here this is 4p but it is 2p. Here is 3q but here is 9q. So we have to make equal this, means it is 2p. Okay, coefficient of p is here 2 and coefficient of p is here 4. Okay, so it will be equal, or here coefficient of q is 3, coefficient of q is here 9. It will be equal. So we make these coefficients equal. Okay, so see here, first of all we make this equal, means on multiplying equation third by 4 to the 8 and 2 to the 8 by 4 in this equation. third by 4 and equation fourth by 2 means 2 4 ja 8. So see here from equation third 4 2 ja 8p plus 4 3 ja 12q is equal to 4 9 ja 36pq. It's right. This one is equation fifth. Now again in from equation fourth 2 4 ja 8p plus 2 9 ja 18q is equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4 means 21 2 ja 42 pq. Okay, this is equation 6. Now we solve here. We see here the coefficient of p and the coefficient of p in both equations are equal. So sign is also same. So we here write on subtracting. We will change sign, plus and minus, and it is cancelled out. Now here minus 6q, 18 minus 12 is 6q. Here is 42 minus 86 is minus 6pq. So see here minus 6q is minus 6 and minus 6q minus cancel. It means we get here p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. Same, put the value of p. We can write here on putting the value of p in equation third. What is equation third? 2p means 2 1 ja 2 plus 3q is equal to 9pq means 9 into 1 into q. So 2 1 ja 2 plus 3q plus 9q. See here 2 is equal to 9 minus 9q minus 3q means 2 is equal to 6q and q is equal to 2 upon 6. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 6. It means it will become q is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, we get here p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 1 upon 3. Now we get here 1 upon s is equal to p on substituting. We substitute here on substituting, or you cannot write down, substituting the values p is equal to 1 upon x and q is equal to 1 upon y. So see here the value of p is 1 is equal to 1 upon x. So we get here x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 because it will be 1 upon 1. X on the x, 1 on the x. X is equal to 1. And here see again the value of q is 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon y. So see here 1 y on the y, 3 on the 3. It means y is equal to 3. This is our answer. See here. We get here p is equal to 1 and get here q is equal to 1 upon 3. After that, putting means substituting the value of p is equal to this is 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. This is our answer. Okay. So see here, first of all we have to get here the coefficient which is common in both equations. So we can write like this. Is right? Now let's see next question. This is very important question. I am going to teach you. Question number 3 here 9. What is question number 9? 27x plus 31y is equal to 85. That is equation 1. It is given. And another question is 31x plus 27y is equal to 89. This is equation 2. See here, this is very easy concept. How can we solve it? When you see in variable of x means x variable, the coefficient of x is 27 and same coefficient of x is here, the coefficient of y. Okay, you can see very easily 27x here and in this equation 27y. It means both coefficients are same. Okay, next term 31y is here, the coefficient of y is 31 and in this equation the coefficient of x is here also 31, means this coefficient is here and this coefficient is here. So in this case only we have to solve in very easy trick. I am telling you easy trick to solve it. First of all, once again you have to add both equations. After that you have to subtract both equations. You will find two more equations. Okay, after solving them you can get your answer very easy. Okay, very easy. So here see what is the method of adding. So see here, on adding equation, first and second. See here, equation first is here this and equation second is this. So see here, how can we add 27x here, 31x here? You can write one together and you can separately write here. So see here, 27 and 31, 1 7 8, 1 7 8 and 3 2 5 means that is 58x plus here 1 7 8 3 2 5, this y is equal to here 5 9 14, 8 8 16. See here again 9 4 5 14 4 carrying on 1 and 8 8 16 1 17. Okay, now we see here is also 58, this is also 58 and this is also 58. We can take common and here we get x plus y is equal to 174. Again x plus y is equal to 174 upon 58. Okay, now we can cancel out it. 2 2 are 4, 2 9 are 58, 2 8 are 16, 2 7 are this one. Okay, now we get here x plus y is equal to 87 upon 29. This one is equation 3. It's right. Again on subtracting, see here, on subtracting both equations, or you can write equation number first and equation number second. Again both equations should be subtracted. See here, 1 and second means, see here, suppose that 27x you are writing here, see here 27x plus 31y is equal to 85. So see here 31x plus 27y is equal to 89. I am writing for your rough matter, so you can solve it. Suppose that this one is. So when you subtract it, you take here minus and here minus and here minus. Okay. So solve here 7 minus 1 6, but it is greater number, so it has sign of minus, negative sign. So we write here minus 7 minus 1 6, 7 minus 1 6. Or you can say in this way, suppose that this is greater number, you can write here in this way, 11 minus 7 4 and here 2 minus 0 means 4 is here. Okay, minus 4x and here same as it is plus, it is minus, so here your answer is plus 4y. 27 plus 4 31, 4y is equal to here 9 minus 5 is 4, 8 minus 8 is 0 and it is greater number, so here minus. So we can say that here minus 4x plus 4y is equal to this. So in this way we can write here minus 4x plus 4y is equal to minus 4. So we take common here minus. After taking common minus 4, we get here x, here minus plus minus y is equal to minus 4. So see here, minus 4 and minus 4, it is cancel out 1. So we write here x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 4. This is new concept. It is special case. It is special rule. Okay? It is given in your book if you see. Okay? So now you get here x plus y is 87.29, and here when you also solve here, you can solve here 3 times. 3 9 is 27, 3 plus 6 to 8. Okay, you can again cancel out it 3 times. So you can write here it is equal to 3. Okay, this one will become question number 3rd. Okay, 3 9 is 27, 7 carry on to 3 plus 6 to 8. Okay, now see here. From equation 3rd and 4th. Now we have to solve equation number 3rd and 4th. What is 3rd equation? X plus y is equal to 3, and 4th one is x minus y is 1. Okay, x minus y is equal to 1. Now we solve it on writing. As it is clear that sign is about it here. So it is considered x 2x is equal to 3 1 4. So x is equal to 2. One value is here, x is equal to 2. Now substituting this concept means this value in any equation or either equation 3rd or 4th. So see here, substituting the value of x in the equation first. Okay? Sorry, 3rd. Equation 3rd. See here, equation 3rd. X plus y is equal to 3. Means x plus y is equal to 3. This one your equation 3rd. So put the value 2 plus y is equal to 3. Means we put the value of x is equal to 2 in this equation. Now we get here y is equal to 3 minus 2. Means y is equal to 1. So in this way we can get the value of x and y easily. The value of x is here 2 and the value of y is 1. It's right? In this way, if you see this type of question, means the quotient of x is equal the quotient of y in other equation, and the quotient of y in first equation is equal to means is same as equation second of this case, means the equation the quotient of y is quotient of x. So in this case you can add first of all both equation, after that get equation 3rd, and after subtracting you get equation 4th. Okay, after these concepts you can understand very easy and you can solve by using this special rule. Okay, I hope you can solve all questions, because question number 10 is same on the basis of same, but sign is changed here. Means question will be changed, the sign is same. Here minus and here minus. So same concept, by using same concept you can solve it. Okay, thank you class.